Assalamu alaikum all of you. This is Samrina and today we are here with another topic, that is business cycle theory. As by the name, business cycle means not smooth, or you can say ups and downs are there. So where the ups and downs in the business. So definitely in this theory we will study about that how the ups and downs are there in the businesses and which are the factors that are affecting the business, all that. Business cycle is also called the trade cycle and the economic cycle. Fine. Basically it is related to our production and it explains the upward and downward movement of GDP. Here it has been written that it is the upward and downward movement of GDP along its long term and natural growth rate. Fine. It explains the expansions and contraction in economic activity that an economy experiences over a time. Means we can say in a year what are the ups and downs are there, or upward and downward movement of GDP is there. So these are in business cycle. Business cycle fluctuations occur around the long term. It is not a short term theory, it is about the long term theory. Fine. And are usually measured by considering the growth rate of real gross domestic product, means real GDP of the economy. Okay. Here is the diagram of business cycle, and as you know, as you can see, basically 6 main stages are there in business cycle. Like first stage is expansion, the second one is peak, third one is recession, then depression, trough and recovery. And again expansion, peak and onward, these stages are repeated. Here the peak is the highest point in the business cycle, while the trough is the lowest point in the business cycle. We will discuss all of these stages one by one in detail. Fine. So first one stage is expansion. It is the first stage of business cycle. In this stage, there is increase in economic growth indicator such as employment, income, wage, profit, demand and supply goods and services. Means all the indicators are increasing here in this stage. And the production level will be at maximum capacity. The unemployment rate can be zero here. On the other sense, we can say, means the people who are unemployed, now they are getting job and they are earning some money. In this way, when people are having money, definitely they will increase the demand for goods and services, as firm will realize that demand is increasing by the consumer side. So what firm will do? Definitely firm will increase the supply. So overall all the economy is growing here in this stage. Fine. Second stage number 2, or we can say peak point or the highest point. It is the second stage and it is the highest stage of the business cycle. The economy then reaches the highest point where the maximum limit of growth is attained, and economic indicator like employment, income, wage, demand, etc, all that don't grow more and are their highest point in this stage, or at here in this point. Okay, what will happen? Here the producer is continuously investing, but after that the returns will start to fall. Now it starts to decline. How the profit will decline? Definitely when consumer is just investing and investing on the, like any businesses, whatever he is doing the business. So what will happen? The situation will reverse in the trend of economic growth. After that, stage 3, recession stage will start. It is the third stage of business cycle. It flows the peak phases, demand for goods and services start declining. Okay, why the demand for goods and services are start declining? Because the producer will continuously investing. Because previously he was getting profit, so he will assume that situation will not be worst, but due to excess of supply, the price level will fall, and now economic indicator will also start falling. After that, stage 4, the depression. Here the economic growth rate become negative. Here the people are being unemployed, they are losing their job. So due to this, the demand for goods are also start declining. Overall, the growth of economy continue to decline and falls below the growth rate. That is called depression. Now the stage number 5, trough. A trough is a stage of economy's business cycle that marks the end of the period of declining business activity and the transition of expansion. It is the lowest point of the business cycle. This is further decline in factor as well as decline in demand and supply for goods. This is the negative saturation of the economy. Means this is the minimum point. After that, the recovery period will start. Stage number 6. Economy start recovery from negative growth rate due to lower price and the demand will start increase. As you can see, due to this, here the government will also take some steps, and government will also help the businesses firm. As earlier you have discussed about that how government can help out the businesses firm, or how government can play their role in the businesses. So when government realize that the businesses firms are going to decline, and here all the indicators are become negative, and economic growth is also going to negative, so here the government will take some steps and give some incentives to the businesses cycle businesses firms. And then after recovery, the again first stage, that was expansion, will start. So this was all about the business cycle theory.